Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price. Now, without top exchanges listing Tectonic token, without massive burning, I don't think Tectonic token will be hitting high level in 2023. That is the truth. Tectonic token are actually celebrating their 1 year anniversary today, and we're happy to see Tectonic token marking 1 year. And we believe that the developers still need a lot of work to be done. They need to promote Tectonic token. They need to get a lot of partnership and burning. But if Tectonic token in 2023, if you can see top exchanges listing Tectonic token, if we can see Tectonic token burning increasing, I think Tectonic token might still be trading at the level it is even before the end of next year. So I believe Tectonic token need to work more in the area of getting more partnership from top crypto exchanges and also working towards burning and destroying Tectonic supply. And if that can't happen, it will be difficult to see Tectonic token hitting high level. It will be difficult for Tectonic token price to actually increase. It will be difficult for Tectonic token to break the level of hitting 5,000% or deleting a zero in 2023. And I want to see Tectonic token deleting 1 or 2 zeros next year, but they need to work towards that, of course. So like every other crypto coins are working hard to make sure their coin will keep increasing in value. And I believe Tectonic token can also emulate other top crypto coins that started small, and I believe if they can work towards getting that partnership and burning, we will be seeing Tectonic token price at a higher level next 12 months. And I believe that is possible if the developers can really work hard to achieve that goal. And I believe Tectonic token will definitely increase in 2023, and I believe that BTC can also hit a very high level in 2023. I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit over $60,000 next year, and I believe other crypto coins like Tectonic token will be also be pumping in 2023. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.